So I've got the hood of our 2016 Buick Enclave open. We have a little over 80,000 miles on this. I think it's like 82,000 miles. And we have started experiencing transmission shudder. Typically, transmission shudder is going to be because your torque converter is slipping, but there could be different reasons, maybe burnt transmission fluid, maybe it's not filtering well, maybe you got debris or bad transmission fluid in there, or even where people don't put the right transmission fluid in the vehicle, and it could cause shudder also because your torque converter works on the transmission fluid that's in there to create kind of a clutching system to be able to shift gears and, give enough friction for the vehicle to go. So your transmission fluid in this case really matters. I've checked the transmission fluid, it looks good, but I'm gonna try something that I've read may work. I'm gonna see. Really, this video is about, is this Lucas transmission fix? It's supposed to stop slipping, and it says, you can see right there, cleans and lubricates sticking valves for proper shifting. It renews worn bands to stop slipping, which is what the shudder would be coming from. So hopefully this is going to help. So before we go to the extreme of replacing the transmission or pulling the torque converter, which typically can cost pretty much about the same price as replacing the whole transmission, we're going to try a few things first, because if I got to replace the transmission anyway, why not try some things to see if they actually work? So I'm doing a kind of a guinea pig test to see, is this Lucas transmission fix going to solve our problem? Now, we don't have a really bad case of this. This has just started happening. We didn't drive it for another 20,000 miles with slippage and have an extreme case. We just started feeling this maybe over the last 500 miles or so, and it's not major, but it is there, and I'm going to see if this is going to correct it. I have more things I'm going to do if this doesn't work, again, before we go all out and replace either the torque converter or the whole transmission, or we might not even do that. It might not be worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and then we're going to use this video to figure out, did it help us? Let's do it. All right, so to put this in the transmission fluid on this 2016 Buick Enclave, we're right down here. If you read the cap, you should see it says transmission fluid, and it tells you what type it takes and everything. So that's where you would put in your transmission fluid. The drain plug, of course, is on the bottom. I'm going to do a drain and fill after I try out to see if this actually helps. If I put this in and I do notice the slipping just completely goes away, I'm still going to do a drain and fill on the transmission fluid, and then I will fill it back up and I will put in this with the new fluid. It says back here, for extended transmission life and heat control, add 1 bottle of transmission fluids with each fluid change approximately every 30,000 miles. Well, our owner's manual actually doesn't even say we have to change the transmission fluid in this, even up to 90,000, which is kind of crazy, unless you're in a severe duty scenario, which, what is that, right? I mean, we don't tow with this. This is just a family vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in using that fill cap. So here's the dipstick for the transmission. That's what you want to call this. And I have put this Lucas transmission fix in there. So I'm putting it in with the transmission fluid still dirty and without fixing anything, just to see if it's going to work. I'm really just trying to find out, does this stuff actually work? There's a lot of snake oil out there you can buy that people say, hey, this stuff does wonders, and it doesn't do anything. So let's see if this will really make a difference in this transmission. I've got it all in there, and we're going to go ahead and do a test drive on the car. We're fixing to go drive around town for a little bit, and I'm going to see right away, does it help? Does it take a week to help? I don't know. I'm going to give it a week or two and just see if I notice any difference. I'll let you know. So this is the follow-up. It has been exactly 1 week to the day where we put this Lucas transmission fix in there, and it seems to have gotten better. The shuddering is a little less, but ultimately it did not fix the shuddering problem that we have with the transmission. The shuddering is very faint and probably the beginning of a torque converter issue, slippage issue, but this still wasn't able to solve that problem. Now, I'm sure that it helps lubricate and do all the things that it said it was going to do, but for our issue, it didn't fix it, and that's the whole point of getting it and putting it in there. So I'm not going to say this stuff doesn't work. It probably does work to a point, but just not good enough to fix the problem we're having now. So I don't want to dog this solution. I don't want to say it's snake oil because, you know, it does seem to help a little, but for torque converter slippage, I don't believe this is the product that you're going to want to use to try to get rid of it. So the next video I'm making is I'm going to be draining and refilling the transmission fluid in this vehicle, and then I'm going to add another additive to it that really is supposed to help with slipping, and we're going to see how that does. So if you're interested in this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I have another video coming up next, and we're going to see if that resolves the problem. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and y'all take care.